Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Onyeka Ihezie. So I'm a pharmacist who has a passion for hair care, nail care, skin care, and this is my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video in a while. Okay, I'm not gonna say this is my first video, but this is my first video in a long time. And I wanna start by just showing you guys some natural nail care. I have been really getting serious about nail care in the last few months, really since November of 2022. And so I've started doing my own nails, which includes caring for my natural nails as well as adding enhancements or Gel X extensions to my nails as well. So I want to share all of that with you guys on my channel that I am in the process of revamping, and I hope that you subscribe and stay tuned. So let me just talk a little bit about what I'm doing. We're going to use a tea bag to seal a broken nail. Okay, so this just gets it ready for the enhancement that I will add to it. So right now I'm applying Extend Gel to the break. Okay, so Extend Gel is kind of in the Builder Gel family. So what this does is it kind of creates a seal and a good foundation for the tea bag to kind of lay on, so that we can seal that break. So you take the cut tea bag and you just apply it to that Extend Gel that I just applied. I did not cure this. Okay, so I applied the Extend Gel to my nail, and now I'm applying the tea bag. And this step right here is very important. What I'm doing is I'm just lightly tapping it, but I'm making sure that that tea bag is saturated with the Extend Gel. And I'm also making sure that it's lined up exactly how I want it, so that it fully covers that break, and it kind of reinforces it so that it has some strength. Because that's what we're doing. We want to reinforce it so that it has a good foundation to put the enhancement on. You never want to apply any kind of enhancement, whether that is acrylic, Gel X, Builder Gel, to a nail that isn't solid, or is cracked or broken. It's just going to cause a really bad break eventually if you end up knocking that hand. So that's why it's important to do this. So I wanted to show that because I learned this trick from someone else. So yeah, I love doing this. It helps so much, especially when the break is so deep. So I'm just flash curing it with my my lamp, and this is just kind of allowing it to stay in place, to hold that tea bag in place. So it's curing that Extend Gel, which will hold that in place. So while that's going on, I fully cure it in the LED lamp for 1 minute, and then I am back again. So I like to do 2 layers, just to make sure that it's really firm and strong, so it has a good foundation. So I'm going to show you again exactly how I do it. I apply more Extend Gel, so that is so the tea bag has something to stick to and hold on to. So once I'm done there, you're gonna see me, applying the tea bag to that second layer of Extend Gel. And I've seen people use other things for this. I've seen people use Builder Gel. I saw someone use nail glue, but for me, I think using Extend Gel makes the most sense, because I'm already going to be using Extend Gel to apply the nail tips to my nails. So it makes sense, and it works. This is my second time doing this, so it really works. So I'm applying a little bit more Extend Gel just to make sure that that tea bag is fully covered. And once it's covered, I will put it back under the LED lamp to fully cure it and make sure that that is done, so that the enhancement is ready to go. So yeah, there's something so gratifying about doing your own nails. Like, I don't know how you all feel, But like, I've been doing my own nails since November of 2022, and I'm so excited to be doing this. So right now I just file them down, and you're gonna also see me file the top of it, because remember we added a lot of extend gel to it to get that tea bag to stay in place. So I kind of just file it down and even out the surface, as well as prep my nail surface for the enhancement. So yeah, I'm ready and excited to learn more about doing my own nails and also natural nails. So please subscribe and comment for more, and please let me know in the comments what you would like to see from me. I'm excited to go on this journey of YouTube, and I'm excited to learn and grow more. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments.